Kia ora guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to this year's holiday video. So gonna be heaps of full driving like usual, but a little bit more behind the scenes as well, kind of just general vlog. When we come down here, heaps of full driving happens though, so you can expect to see plenty of that. Anyway, we cruised down here last night. You saw in the last video we were up in the Wilberforce River. We drove home a couple hours to unpack, tidy up, repack, and then we cruised down here last night. I arrived, jumped in the swag, we chucked that up, and Matt jumped in the Oz tent down here. We're down here with my family and some family friends who have got a boat, so we're going to be shooting out to the lake first thing. Cruise down an off-road track down to the lake, and yeah, it'll be great. We drove down in Lando, of course. Good old things, putting in some Tourer-Ks. Right now, it's time to go boating, so we're going to jump in the truck and cruise on down. Right guys, well it's been a good number of hours since I picked up the camera, since we were up at the lake. Obviously back at the caravan, I've just been doing some editing, just cranking through an edit which you'll have seen a while ago. Big news is we've now got another person. We've got Flynn, he's turned up, which is wonderful. So we're just going to go have a quick play for the remainder of the afternoon, just on the other side of the lake, and go have a nosy, see what there is to see really.
Thanks, mate.
Alright guys, well that's a quick cruise around the lake done. It was about an hour and a half of just mucking around before dinner, and Dad's got the dinner going, so yeah, good. Alrighty guys, well as you can see we're now back home. As per my usual fashion, I forgot to film an outro. Kind of just, you know, the evening just got on and yeah, totally forgot about it, so here we are. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a bit of a short one, I do apologise. However, remember, double uploads, that means we've got one coming out on Thursday, and I can confirm much longer and heaps more wheeling. It was a really good trip up the Hopkins, so you've got that to look forward to. So yeah, make sure you hit subscribe to stay tuned for that and heaps more. Give us a like if you enjoyed today's video, drop a comment down below of what you thought. I know it was a bit of a different one with the jet skiing and boating and things like that, but I hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching, we'll see you then.
Didn't really have my balance right.
Got this one a line, eh?
How was that?
Oh, we've been chilly, mate. You know how it is.